Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel. My name is Saif, and in this video I'm gonna walk you through Apollo's key features. So what is Apollo? Apollo is a P2P sales intelligence and engagement platform. It provides you with contact information of individuals working at companies that match your desired criteria. So let's get started and take a look at its features. First, you need to create your own account from sign up for free here. However, for the sake of the time of this tutorial, I will just log into my account. Now I will use Google to log in, and I will pick my account. Almost there. And here we are. So basically, you have these tabs on the top that you can use Apollo through. So here you have your home tab, which shows you an onboarding tab that help you to start and onboard your own account from the sequence of steps here. You can also access the control center and data health center from here, which shows you like insights and analytics for your account. Next is the search tab, which help you to search for people and companies. This is mainly the main job of Apollo.io, which helps you to find people in databases, rich databases that Apollo create for you. After selecting the people that you want and that match your criteria from the rich database for Apollo, you can extract them and add them to lists that you create for yourself. Next, you can also engage by creating sequence of steps, which is an automation that can help you to apply sequence of steps automatically without your intervention. So basically, these sequence, let's say for example, creating an email, then applying a phone call, then creating another email, all these steps will be applied automatically without your intervention. Next is the conversations tab, deals, enrich. In enrich, technically you give Apollo some data so that it can enrich its database by it. You can enrich its database by giving it CSV files, AP enrichment, so you can basically use these data to enrich the database for Apollo.io. And here you have the place tab. So basically, we will start in this tutorial by searching for people that match our criteria, creating a list, then apply a sequence or an automation. So first, let's search for people here. Let's just skip for now. And here is the search bar. So basically, we need to search for people who work in a specific company, which is called Shell Company. By pressing enter, it will show me all the people who are working in Shell. So basically, as you can see, the results are massive. There are 99,657 results. So basically, you will not, of course, navigate through all these results. It's technically impossible. That's why there are filtration here on the left menu. So there are multiple criteria upon which you can base your own search results. So basically, you can search based on name, you can search based on job title, you can search based on company, but this will not be sensible since we already searched for a specific company. So of course, you will not filter based on the company. You can also search based on the location. So basically, Shell here is an international company, so it has subsets all over the world, so that you can select the location that you want to search in it. You can also search for industry and keywords, and you can navigate downwards to find more criteria upon which you can base your own filtration. So let's, for example, navigate to job titles and press on this drop-down menu. It's still generating. Now let's press on this drop-down menu and you will find many positions here. So if we are interested in finding the managers in Shell Company, we can just press on managers and see what will happen. It usually takes time. The more the results are, the more time it's consumed to filter. So since we have nearly 100,000 search results, it takes time and it's done. So basically, it has narrowed down the research results based on one filtration from 99,000 result into 18,412 results. So this is technically insane. Now let's base on our other research results. So if we are interested in only shell companies which exist in the US, we can go to location here, and we can choose the location as United States, and let's see what will happen. Now your search results have decreased from 18,000 into 4,000. And so you can apply all the filtration you want to narrow down the search results into specific group that exactly suits and matches your criteria. So after finishing this, you can select these results from here. You can select all people, but unfortunately this is not available in the free subscription, so you only can select page by page. So by selecting the first page, which shows 25 results only, you can save people, you can email them to specific destination, you can apply sequence, however we'll just apply the sequence later. We can also export them as CSV file, or we can add them to a list. So by pressing on add to a list, you are creating a new list here. Let's say we add them to list of managers, or we can just say tutorial list. Since tutorial does not match an existing list, it will tell you that you need to create a new list called tutorial. So you'll press on this and save. And voila, you have your first list. So basically you can apply sequence by navigating to engage, then selecting sequence, or you can select, but by going to sequence here, you will need to insert the list, or it's easier for you to just select this page and creating on sequence here, and you can add to existing sequence or just add to new sequence. And by pressing on this, it will ask you what type of sequence you want to form. So you can use an AI assisted, you can copy from an existing sequence, you can create one from a template, or you can create one from scratch. So let's go to template and create a sequence. Here you will find multiple templates that you can use to create your own sequence. I will just use the first one. Let's see what it contains. It contains first that it will send an automatic email. Then after 3 days, it will send another one, then 3 days and will send another one, then another 3 days and it will send another one. So if we create it and customize from here, you can link your Gmail or not. Let's just close this. You can also export a CSV file here. However, I will just uncheck this and I will save on this. And now, I did not place my mailbox, so I will just uncheck this. I can link my Gmail box, so I will do this in few seconds. And I will be back to you after. Okay, it's already done. Okay, allow. Almost there. Okay, link mailbox. Okay, I already linked my mailbox, so let's return to our automation again. From here, sequence. You can search for the sequence that you have created, which is this one. And you will find all the details which are related to this sequence. So if you want to edit on any one of these steps, you can just navigate here and you can press on edit. You can change the subject, you can change the mail itself, You can choose a specific contact that you want to send this mail to. It's currently loading. You can also manipulate your text from here. You can include signature. So let's just hide this one. And you can expand your email from here. So it's technically easy and self-explanatory. You are just gonna edit on the mail here. So by clicking on choose contact here, you will find all the names that we have exported into our list that we have linked to this sequence. So you can choose any one of them. Perfect and easy. So after finishing, you can just send this email to you to check that everything is okay, or you can just save. So this is basically how you can create sequence. If you wanna make this sequence as active, you can just press on inactive here and switch it to active, and so your sequence is currently working. So this is basically how Apollo.io works. So that was a basic tutorial. Hope you guys learned from this quick tutorial. If you like this video, press on like, then subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next videos. Until then,